And now the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has affirmed Honorable Martin Amaewhule as the authentic Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The Appellate Court, in an unanimous decision by a three-member panel led by Justice Joseph Oyewole, also validated the Amaewhule-led members of the Assembly as bona fide lawmakers for the state. Malik Uduro has more details on this report.
In a unanimous judgment, the Court of Appeal dismissed the appeal brought before it by Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara seeking to remove 27 members of the State House of Assembly on account of their defection from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC). The Appellate Court noted that Fubara shot himself on the foot when he voluntarily withdrew a counterfeit affidavit he filed to challenge a legal action the Amaewhule-led lawmakers instituted to be recognized as valid members of the Rivers State Assembly. The court held that Governor Fubara's decision to present the 2024 Rivers State Appropriation Bill to only 4 out of 31 members of the Assembly amounted to a gross violation of Section 91 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. Reacting, Ken Njamanze's son, counsel to State House of Assembly, applauded the judgment.
All the reliefs that he granted, including the substantive reliefs and the injunctive reliefs, were all affirmed. And moreover, they replicated the conduct of the governor of Rivers State. Recklessness. Which is very fundamental, that he should endeavor to obey orders of court. He swore to an oath when he became governor to uphold the constitution and the law. Therefore, he is bound to obey orders of court. That is unfortunate that he has not done so. They equally said that it was wrong for him to have destroyed the Rivers State House of Assembly, the building and structures, while this action was pending before the High Court, despite the order made by Justice Omotosho.
In the same vein, counsel to the Speaker Joshua Musa said the wisdom of the court has vindicated the lower court that ordered the leadership of the State House of Assembly to remain in status quo.
Because that's the right thing to do. I think that this judgment has laid to rest, has put an end to the political caricature in Rivers State. It has been happening for too long. And thank God that the Court of Appeal came with a sound, comprehensive and conclusive pronouncement on it, that it amounts to a caricature for 4 members of the House of Assembly to sit and claim that they are deliberating on any issue. The Constitution requires 2/3 for issues that require, like the impeachment of a speaker or the governor, and 1/3 as the number required to conduct the business of the House of Assembly. This has not been done, as claimed by the factional leader. I think this one has ended his tenure as factional Speaker of the House of Assembly. I think that's the end of all these disputations and contestations.
Meanwhile, Honorable Martin Amaewhule said that the law must be obeyed.
If a governor is bigger than the Court of Appeal or Federal High Courts, if the immunity granted to the governor by the Constitution allows him to jettison and relegate to the background judgments of courts at will, we will see how everything ends. I'm also waiting to see how this country will address this kind of scenario that we have never witnessed before. A situation where a governor feels is bigger than the Constitution. We are still waiting. As we speak, these 3 individuals who has no respect for our courts, those suspended 3 members of the House of Assembly who has no respect for our courts, the laws of this country, the Constitution, they are still going ahead. We learned the other day that the governor has presented to them the medium-term expenditure framework for 2025. We are waiting. Maybe at the end of the day, you will hear that he has also given his assent to another budget for 2025. But my joy is that we stand with the law, and the law is on our side. But we'll see how this country will address all these issues of impunity and executive rascality.
Recall that Justice Omotosho had nullified the 2024 Rivers budget passed by pro-Fubara lawmakers and set aside the presentation and passage of the Rivers State 2024 budget.